Hi, Steve here from My Local Direct, putting the Sharpen All Clamp together. That's it there, so we're going to make that. The instructions are on the back, but we're going to go through it as well. So the easiest way is grab the main piece, place that onto onto there, that one onto there, and that one there goes into the center, like so. So that's all in there, nice and tight. We have 3 bolts. This is the middle one, so that'll go into there. And then we have 3 nuts into there. Use the Allen key there to lock it all into place. That's the one. Then we use a small one there, that goes onto that side with the nut on it. And then again, use the Allen key to lock all that into place. Now this is where it becomes tricky. We have 1 long bolt. Now this is where people tend to make a mistake. Turn it over and you've got a little passageway there. That nut goes inside there. Pop that in. Just use the Allen key to pop it in there. And then make sure it's nice and flush with that. Then before you place the bolt through, place this inside there. And then that little tab sits on top, like so. Place it inside, start turning, and it'll go through. When it is poking it out, the bolt itself, you have one last piece, which is this piece here. Place that onto there, hold it firmly, and turn it, like so. And there, have your clamp all ready to go. So you can clamp it to a bench, you can screw it to the bench. If your drill is undersized, you can place that one into there as well. And there we go. Too easy. Thank you.